In this video, I'm going to test the decibel rating on one of the quietest window air conditioners you can buy. Now if you do a Google search on quietest window air conditioner, the Tosot Tranquility air conditioner is going to be in the top 3 of just about every review. Well, this is unmounted, so this is going to be as loud as it's going to get. Once you mount it in your window and seal it off, it's going to be slightly quieter. I'm going to test it this way just to see how loud it could be. Now the manufacturer spec says 42 decibels. Now if you walk into your local library, it's going to be about 40 decibel in there. So it's hard to believe that this air conditioner is going to run at 42 decibel. The average air conditioner runs around 60 decibel, so that's pretty impressive. So I'm going to start it up. We'll go through all of the settings. I've got a decibel meter right here, and we're going to see what this actually puts out. I'm going to start out in the fan only mode. So this is not a cooling mode. It's fan only with the fan on low. The decibel meter is 24 inches away from the air conditioner. Fan only mode, and I'm going to raise it from low to medium. This is the fan only mode, and I'm going to raise it from medium to high. Now I'm going to put it in the low fan mode, but in the cooling mode. This is in the cooling mode with the fan speed set on medium. This is in the cooling mode with the fan set on high. Unfortunately, the Tosot Tranquility air conditioner quit working, so I couldn't do a decibel test mounted in the window. I am going to compare it to this Pelonis. Now this is an in-wall air conditioner, and if you want the most quiet air conditioner, an in-wall air conditioner is the best you can get. If you don't already have a hole in the wall, it is kind of a pain in the butt to mount one of these. But if you do already mount one of these, it's going to be a little bit quieter than any window air conditioner. So I'm going to show you the decibel readings on this one. This is the low fan only setting. This is the medium fan only. This is high fan only. This is low fan with the cooling function enabled. This is medium cool. This is high fan, cool function. This is as loud as this air conditioner will be. As far as the Tosot Tranquility air conditioner being one of the quietest ones on the market, It's very quiet if you have fan only mode with low fan. Other than that, if it's in cooling mode, it's not much quieter than any other air conditioner I've tested. Hopefully this video helped you a little bit. Thanks for watching.